Yesterday we made $1,100. We caught one trade. Today's Thursday. We're gonna see what we can do. I do like these shorts. Yeah, that's the trade idea. We're gonna see what happens. Fuck that. I'm closing wherever it is. I don't care. Look how much, bro. Fuck that. That trade just hit different. Looks like we're getting another withdrawal today. Since it's in Bitcoin, it went up a little bit to $1,103 at $1,123. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Andre Diaz, self-employed day trader, entrepreneur, content creator, whatever you want to call me. I'm just trying to make some money, and I'm not trying to work for somebody else. And the way I'm going to start my day off by doing that is by trading. We're going to go live with the team. We're going to see if we can catch some trades live together as we do every single day. Yesterday, we made $1,100. We caught one trade. Today's Thursday. We're going to see what we can do. Slow week, slow last couple of weeks, so we're not going to force anything. We're just going to wait, let the money come to us, and try to steal that shit. Simple, but without all yapping, let's get straight into it. Today should be a productive day. I'm waiting for the people to get back to me when it comes to the new apartment that I just applied to. I'm waiting to see if they approve me and all that. But we're gonna see. Nonetheless, only time will tell. Let's see what we can do. Let's get this money. Yeah, we'll see. It's definitely my idea right now, though. Let me see. Give me this retracement so I can get these nice shorts. All right, I'll get the retracement right here. I'm gonna take this short at this 1 hour gap on NAS. Let's see if shit gonna try to fry. Let's see if shit gonna try to fry. I got a 30-point stop loss. Ideally, I just want to see this previous day's low, aiming for a 1 to 2. Not a bad idea. We'll see what we can get. So yeah, I'm up a low 200 bucks. Let's see what we can hit for RIP. RIP. Screen, left side with the live count, right side with the VIP charts. Even though I took an L, you know what? Fuck it. At least I got a little W here. We'll see if this is the end of the trading session for me, though. We still got time. If these close bullish, I could definitely see the little trade for there. And 30, I don't know. 30 could still short, but I like NAS overall more. 20,000 here. I could probably show my screen for y'all over here. Let me share this. 20,000. Let's see. Give me the entry. Just hit 10 o'clock. 10:01. There we go. Oh, whoa there. Whoa there. Whew. Let's see. I'm gonna give you a second, but I'm gonna watch this entry. All right, come a little bit lower. Come a little bit lower. Start rejecting. Like I said, 30 be on some shit. So, all right, I'm over here, but we just got the payout. So even though I took a little L and I missed a trade over here, I still got the payout from yesterday. So honestly, can't be too mad at it. Since it's in Bitcoin, it went up a little bit to $1,103 at $1,123. That's Bitcoin for you. But about to do this withdrawal and everything, get it to the bank, continue this call. Yeah, appreciate 20,000. 20,000, but 1,100 made trading. That's where it all began. All right, so I just got off the call. It's still up for the people that are in there. It's not too late. It's only 10:18 right now. But I just kind of walked them through the payout process and everything, because one thing that you guys don't know, when you get payouts through live accounts, if you get it sent to you through Bitcoin, if Bitcoin has moved up from the time that you got the Bitcoin sent to you, so say the Bitcoin got sent, you got $1,000 of Bitcoin sent to you at the price of 60,000. If now the price of Bitcoin goes to 61,000, before you taking that money and put it into your bank, the money, that 1,000 is going to be worth more now. You get what I'm saying? Or vice versa. If it goes down, you could lose money. In this case, I lost a little bit of money. That $1,100 was $1,120. Then it went down to 1,090. So 1,090 is what I got sent to my bank, but it's all good. I paid like $13 in fees in reality from the price that originally was supposed to be sent to me at, which was $1,103. So it is what it is. $13 tax, $13 fees is not that bad in the grand scheme of things. Everything else charges you way more. You get charged more you get more as a percentage of a tip at a restaurant than that percentage. So I'm not that mad at it, but no trades. I did have a couple ideas. I do like these shorts, and I'm really like trying to be disciplined enough not to take them, but I do have another trade. I missed a trade. I took an L. But this one, it looks possible. It looks very possible. So maybe I take it, maybe I don't. I just got to get the rest of my day started. So I'll keep you updated nonetheless. Yeah, that's the trade idea. We're going to see what happens. Go on about the day. Go live, bro. This shit moving. This shit's moving right now. Look, I just got on my phone. 1,600. Bro, 11:45. Hold on. I was looking at it over here because I came over here because I have to upload something for my for the application, bro. And that's just moving. Hold on. Fuck that. I'm closing wherever it is. I don't care. Look how much, bro. Fuck that. It was an open TP. I was looking for this low. I guess I didn't send an alert, but you guys seen the before and after of this, the aftermath. Hold on. That trade just hit different. Looks like we're getting another withdrawal today. 0.05 contracts sell, and it had a P&L 1633. That was crazy. Very, very crazy. Luckily, this wick was already created, so it looks like it just fell off after I got in the trade. It's only 12. But yeah, I went on my computer because I got to upload a document for the application. Oh, love to see it. But yeah, back to this application. And now we just got to wait for the property manager to approve for the apartment, and then we wait. But before that, I'm going to do the withdrawal on Hanko Trade, and then I got to get up out of here. 2 days in a row, we about to get 2 withdrawals. More than likely, I probably just won't trade tomorrow. I'll show for the team like I always do, but probably just won't take a trade. So the trade itself, that one was 1633, so we're just going to do that for the withdrawal. 1633, we're just going to withdraw what we made. Nothing else, nothing more. And then we're going to do the withdrawal. I actually changed it to from 16, I just did 1397, just to make it so that it counts actually a certain number for my OCD. But then we come over here, we wait for the email, as always. This is for yesterday's. This one is for today's. 1397. Yeah, my OCD would have cooked it up a little bit, so we did that. Wait. Same thing. Wait for the green screen. Yep, and now we're done with that. All by 12. Well, 12:01, but close enough. All right, we about to get some. Whatever. Get some croissants. Oh. I hate certain parking spots, but yeah, I guess free promo. Here you go. Huh?
Want to get it now or later?
No. Real men don't use straws. Got that pink. Oh, it's not automatic. That pink part is pink. All right, so we got an update when it comes to the apartment. So we got approved. Pat on the back, we got approved, but it's not done yet. I still have to send a couple more things when it comes to like proof of income. They said we got approved when it comes to the background check, when it comes to the credit and everything. But now it's the proof of income, being able to make sure that we showed 3 times more. So let's put it like this. I got to show that I make 3 times more than what the rent is. The base rent before the amenities is $35.80. $35.80 times 3. I got to show I make this much every single month. So yeah, it's not as easy, especially when you have multiple different incomes. I got VIP, trading, YouTube, sponsorships. I have multiple different incomes, so it's not all in the same place. Some make more than the other, so it's just a lot of struggle nonetheless. But we're trying to make it through. We're trying to make it to the other side. If I can get through it, you guys can too. And I'm just documenting the whole process. So far, very uneasy. I'm still like basically trying to get it all sorted out, but it's closed right now. It's 9:05, so gotta wait until tomorrow morning to be able to actually figure the rest out. But so far, so good. And as of right now, it looks like we have to pay the first month's rent as a security deposit. So it's looking like a lot of money we got to spend off rip. So off rip, it looks like about $5,500 just to move in, not including the next month's rent. So yeah, money needs to be made. We got a couple withdrawals this week overall. It's been a good last 2 days. We caught 2 trades, and overall, it was great trades. Today is another good day to be able to show you guys the importance of risk to reward. I had 1 loss and 1 W. The 1 loss was a little loss. But that W, I lied to you not. The W wasn't supposed to be that big, but the fact that I just didn't have a TP, it was an open TP, and it just started moving so crazy, that 1 to 2 trade, that 1 to 3 trade ended up turning into a 1 to 6 trade. So risking $300 to try to make $600, I ended up making like $1,600. Shit was crazy. I don't know the exact risk reward. My computer's in the room over there, but it was a crazy risk reward nonetheless. Just every day following the same process that works. The same thing I did yesterday is the same thing I did today. The same thing that made me $1,100 was the same thing that made me $1,600, and I withdrew $1,300 of it. So we just gotta wait for that withdrawal to hit. But nonetheless, this is where I'm gonna end the video off. It was a great day nonetheless. I can't complain. Productive, active, did everything I needed to, made some money, and I'm about to go get some food. Nice at nighttime. Then I got to edit this and then repeat all again tomorrow. Same thing, different day. So stay safe, stay productive. If you want to learn to trade, my trading concepts, everything I use today to get into trades, get the free trading course, free trading webinars. We'll teach you everything you need to know about the markets for completely free. And once you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals where you can take my trades, learn from a community of like-minded individuals, and just join a winning group of individuals, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.